Looking to elevate your career in finance? Introducing IFA Direct, in collaboration with UK Versity. IFA Direct, the trusted name in financial education, has partnered with UK Versity, renowned for its expertise in online learning. Together, we bring you an unparalleled opportunity to advance your financial knowledge and skills. Through IFA Direct, you'll gain industry-recognized membership and practicing certificates to offer accounting services in the UK. With UK Versity's state-of-the-art online platform, you can study at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Choose from a wide range of IFA Direct membership routes on completing the modules leading to a practicing certificate. IFA Direct offers 3 routes to membership, including Intermediate Financial Accounting, Associate Tax Advisor, and Financial Accountant. Take the next step towards a successful finance career. Enroll in IFA Direct courses through UK Versity today and unlock your potential. Call us or visit website for more details.